pain, softly washing yesterday's pain. Every little drop sings your name. Nothing feels quite the same. Clouds may cover all the blue, still my heart keeps reaching you. Raindrops falling slow and sweet, keeping time with my heartbeat. Every whisper from the sky tells me love will never die. When the storm has passed away, you'll be my sunshine someday. Coffee's warm, the morning's slow, watching little rivers flow. Every memory shines so bright, like stars hidden in the night. If tomorrow brings the rain again, I'll smile instead of hiding from the pain. For every drop reminds me it's true, the sky still finds a way to bloom. Raindrops falling soft